Hi everyone, I'm Deborah Torres and today we will meet Katherine Johnson.
She was an African American woman who born in United States in 1918. When she was a child, she loved numbers more than anything. She counted everything around her, and her parents quickly noticed she was very smart, especially in math. At that time, schools in USA were separated by race, and black children often did not have many educational opportunities. But Catherine's parents believed education was very important. Catherine learned very fast. She skipped several grades and entered high school at only 10 years old, and she graduated from college when she was 18 years old. So that was very unusual for a girl, especially a black girl during that time. Her childhood shows three important things. She had a natural talent for math, her family strongly supported her education, and she worked very hard despite discrimination. This experience helped her become one of the mathematicians who later worked for NASA and helped send astronauts into space.
Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer Leiva and I will be speaking about Mrs. Catherine's career and achievements. Katherine Johnson career. Early education. She was a math prodigy. She entered college at age 15 and graduated in 1937 with degrees in mathematics and French from West Virginia State College, now West Virginia State University. Beginning at NASA in 1953, she started working at the Langley Research Center, then part of NASA, which later became the NASA. She was part of the group of African American women known as human computers. Orbital mechanics specialist, she became an expert in analytic geometry and orbital calculation, which were essential for human spaceflight missions. Participation in historic missions. Calculated the trajectory for Alan Shepard's in 1961 spaceflight. Verified the computer calculation for John Glenn's in 1962 orbital missions. They contributed to the Apollo program, including the Apollo 11 moon landing in 1969. She also worked on space shuttle and satellite projects until her retirement in 1986. Achievements and recognition. Authored several important scientific research reports on orbital mechanics. In 2050, she received the Presidential Medal of Freedom, of the highest civil honors in the United States. In 2016, her story gained worldwide recognition through the film Hidden Figures. In 2017, NASA named the Katherine G. Johnson Computational Research Facility in her honor. She received multiple honorary decorations and awards for her contributions to the science and equality. Katherine Johnson's career was marked by mathematical excellence and groundbreaking contribution to space exploration. Her achievements not only advanced science and technology but also helped break racial and gender barriers, leaving a lasting legacy in STEM field.
Hi everyone, my name is Daniela Martinez, and continuing from the previous section, I will talk about Katherine Johnson's impact on society and share a short conclusion about her achievements. Let's go.
As you probably know, Katherine Johnson was a brilliant mathematician who worked for NASA. Can you imagine being a young African-American woman in the 1950s, facing so many barriers and still achieving incredible things? She calculated the trajectories for the first American in orbit and the Apollo 11 mission to the moon. Her work was so important that astronauts trust their lives to her calculations. But what makes her even more inspiring is how she broke barriers. At a time when women and African Americans were often not allowed to work in science, she proved that talent and determination could overcome discrimination. Katherine Johnson became a role model, inspiring girls and young people all over the world to study science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. She showed that with passion, perseverance, and courage, anyone can make a positive impact. So, in conclusion, Katherine Johnson not only changed history with her brilliant mind, but she also inspired generations to dream big. Her life reminds us that no matter the obstacles, we can all make a difference if we work hard and believe in ourselves.